Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing some of the stocks that I bought today before market close. So just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you like our content. Hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So today, I've been watching HEMP Incorporated, ticker symbol HEMP. And for those of you who follow along, you know that I've been talking about this stock for the past week. I actually cashed out a couple of days ago. I was up 114%, so I took profits, and I've been looking to get back in. So I watched it close today. It dipped, a good bit right whenever the market opened and made a little recovery and kind of leveled off for the rest of the day. I decided to start my position before the market closed today, and I bought some at these current prices. And I didn't get my full position yet just because I want to make sure it doesn't dip any lower come next week. If it hangs around these prices or starts to slowly try to move up on Monday, I'll go ahead and finish out my position. But I sit currently at about 20,000 shares. So, like I said, worst case, it goes lower and I finish out my position and average down a little bit. As you can see, today was down over 10% and yesterday was down 21%. So still a pretty good percentage that we lost today, but it's half of what it was yesterday. So I'm thinking, if we do have any more downside, hopefully, we're starting to kind of cool off as far as the pullback, and then we can continue to the upside. So we'll have to just wait and see. Next stock that I bought, I got back into is Sun Pacific Holding Corp. Ticker symbol SNPW. I bought back in at 13 cents, got as high as 15 cents at one point, and closed at 14 cents. So this was another one of our plays that we swung, and I noticed it was in the overvalued territory, so I was waiting on a pullback, and looked like now would be a good time to get back in. So I did scoop some up, and we're going to ride this second wave up, hopefully to 25 cents or beyond before cashing out on the next swing. Okay, guys, I did not buy the S&P 500, but I wanted to just touch base on the UVXY swing that I talked about. So much for my big pullback that I was thinking that was coming this week. It looks like it can potentially be next week because we're staying at around those overbought levels, and we just kind of were stagnant throughout the week at those prices. So we might go a little bit higher before pulling back down, but I do expect a pullback. Just going to take a little bit longer than expected. So, also, guys, the reason I'm not showing you the charts is because Thinkorswim is kind of giving me some trouble right now. I'm not sure why it's not loading for me right now. So, I know you guys enjoy me breaking down the charts, but unfortunately, I won't be able to do that in this video. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know what I bought today. I did get back into those positions that I've been talking about getting into. Um, I didn't buy any more GNOG. GNOG, I'm just holding until we see that move to the upside. And Zion Oil and Gas, the same thing, is we're starting to kind of slowly gain a little bit of momentum towards the upside. Hopefully, we can keep that up going into next week. So be on the lookout for Sunday stock pick videos around 5:30 p.m. I'll have that released. But other than that, guys, enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you in the next video.